Hi, my name is Peter Montgomery, and on today's 30 on 3D, we're going to be discussing Pantone Color Matching with the J735 and J750. This is exciting as it offers a new method of color matching for different Pantone colors as well as skin palettes.
So here I have a sample part loaded into my J750. In order to enable Pantone, what I have to ensure is that my advanced slicer is on, and also that I have loaded all of my vivid materials, which we can see. With all of those loaded, I have the ability to go over to the Pantone color picker and select from two different Pantone books, either skin tones or solid coated. I'm going to use the solid coated in this case, and I can see I have a whole array of different Pantone callouts that I can select from.
Be sure to check us out next time on 30 on 3D.